Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Chase and Kat, and we are here at the trailhead of the Kingston Peak Trail, sitting in our 4Runner. If you guys remember last time we did the Medano Pass in Colorado near the Great Sanders National Park, and that we did in the stock 4Runner. This time it's no longer stock. If you guys want to check out that previous video showing all the upgrades we've done to it so far, please go check that out on our channel. But otherwise, yeah, just we're gonna get started on this trail, and hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So we did this trail backwards, kind of. The trailhead is on that side of it. And there is, if you look down there, there is Lac Lemond. We did that yesterday. That's where we tried to camp a couple days ago. And had some issues with
the wind, if you can't hear it.
Surprise, the wind, yeah. This wind is pretty outrageous. It's shaking the vehicle right now. Yeah, we tried. It's a beautiful lake down there. There's a waterfall and everything. We were just down there. This is basically kind of what this trail revolves around, is this big high spot. This big high spot called, I believe they call this the Stone House or the Rock House, something like that. I can't remember for sure. I'm gonna have to be careful getting out. I'm gonna try to take a few photos, but it's gonna be really dangerous out there, so I gotta be careful. Hey everybody, so it looks like we're gonna have to call it. We're gonna have to make a turnaround here. We are hitting some deep drifts. The trail kind of is concave here, and then there's just about 1.5 feet of snow. And I'm gonna have to just constantly, get myself out. We're soloing, we have nobody else here, so it's pretty dangerous for us to continue to try to traverse through this snow when we got nobody to help pull us out if we get stuck. So we're just going to try to back up, turn around, head back the way we came, and so that might be a wrap for Kingston Peak Trail. We're gonna have to try to hopefully hit it another time when it's not so snowy.
Not like we expected snow.
Right, but yeah, so let's just get back to it. All right, we are back at the Rock House, not Stone House, which is the Loch Lomond Overlook. So we're going to make our way down the rest of the trail, but we're probably going to spend a little bit of time exploring this little rock house. We didn't really do that last time, so we're going to take a quick peek at it. There's quite a lot of wind up here, so we got to be careful. But yeah, so we'll catch you guys in a bit. Yeah.
Hi.
How's it going?
Thanks for coming all the way out here.
No problem.
It was a crazy night last night.
I bet.
I don't even know where my car's at.
Alrighty, I think it's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had a blast up on the mountaintop. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.